Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit products in bulk on Shopify. Managing an online store is not an easy job. That is why when a platform supports bulk or multiple product management, this tends to be a gem worth keeping. What is cool about editing products in bulk on Shopify is that it's very user-friendly. The recommended web browser for editing products in bulk on Shopify are Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. This is because the bulk editing works by adding parameters to URLs, which is limited if you'll be using Internet Explorer. With the bulk editor, which is similar to a spreadsheet, you can edit multiple products and their variants at once from your Shopify admin. You can also use the bulk editor to edit collections, customers, inventory, and online store blog posts and pages. So let's get started! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to access the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click the Products section on the left to view all your products. On the Products page, you can select the products that you want to edit by checking the checkbox on the left. You also have the option to select all of your products by clicking the first checkbox. Once you have selected the product that you wish to edit, click the Edit Products button on top. Shopify should take you to the bulk editor. You should see the products that you have selected on the page. This is where you can freely make your changes to your product. You can add another field by clicking the Add Fields drop down and select the field that you wish to add. You can also remove a field by clicking the X on the field list on top. Change the details of your product. Just click the cell on the table and you should be able to edit the contents inside. It is up to you if you wanted to change the price, SKUs, dimensions, or etc. Once you're done making your changes, click the Save button on top. A prompt should appear at the bottom, informing you about how many products were changed. The changes that you made should apply instantly. You can always visit your online store to verify. So that's it. That's how you edit products in bulk on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!